Welcome to the Upstrail Forecast Pro tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through downloading, setting up, and using our powerful new Excel-based forecasting tool. Step 1. Downloading Forecast Pro. Let's begin by downloading the Forecast Pro tool. Go to the Upstrail Downloads page, or use the direct link provided in the description below this video. Click on the Download Forecast Pro.zip button. This will open a Google Drive page and your download should begin automatically. If prompted by your browser, confirm that you want to keep the file. The tool is packaged as a zip file. Once the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your Downloads folder. Step 2. Extracting the tool. Right-click the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder and extract the contents. Inside, you'll find the Excel workbook, README instructions, and all supporting files. Step 3. Unblocking and opening the Excel file. Before opening the workbook, it's important to unblock the file to ensure all features work correctly. If you see an unblock checkbox at the bottom, check it and click OK. Now, double-click to open the Excel workbook. Step 4. Enabling macros and content. When you open the file, you'll see a security warning at the top of Excel. Click Enable Content and, if prompted, also enable macros. This step is necessary for Forecast Pro to function properly. Step 5. Generating your sales data template. Once inside the workbook, navigate to the Template section and click Generate Template. This will set up a blank worksheet, ready for your sales data. Step 6. Adding your sales data. Copy and paste your sales data into the template. Be sure to follow the column format provided for best results. Step 7. Running data validation. This opens up the command line and runs the Python code. You don't need to install anything on your computer. The first run may take some time, wait for it to finish, then go to the folder where you have the Forecast Pro files. The tool will check for missing values or formatting issues. If there are any problems, they'll be highlighted so you can fix them before moving on. Step 8. Reviewing or adjusting forecast settings. Next, go to the Settings or Suggester section. Here, you can review or adjust things like the forecast method and confidence interval. If you're not sure, you can use the recommended defaults. Forecast Pro will automatically choose the best forecasting method based on your data, using error metrics and your selected confidence interval. Step 9. Running the forecast. With your data validated and settings in place, click Run Forecast. This opens up the command line and runs the Python code. You don't need to install anything on your computer. The first run may take some time, wait for it to finish. The tool will process the data and generate forecasts for each item. Then go to the folder where you have the Forecast Pro files. Step 10. Exploring the results. After the forecast is complete, open the Forecast Output file. The forecast summary gives you a high-level overview of all forecasted items. The Forecast Output sheet provides the detailed forecast results. The Forecast Charts sheet visualizes the forecasts, including confidence intervals. You can interact with the charts, hide actual values to focus on the forecast. Remove or show the confidence interval. Zoom in on specific areas. Take screenshots for your reports and presentations. You're now ready to use Upstrail Forecast Pro for all your forecasting needs. If you have any questions, check the README file included, or reach out for support. Thanks for choosing Upstrail, and happy forecasting.